Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Let's have a look at this geometry exam question. Study the diagram below and complete the statements and all reasons in the table provided. So look at the diagram. Several angles meet at one point. One angle is 198 degrees, one is a right angle which is 90 degrees, one is labeled A, one is labeled B with a small 34 degrees next to it. So what we have to do is we have to determine the values of A and B. Now, let's have a look at this first statement. A plus 90 degrees plus 198 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. And the reason is angles around a point. Remember, angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. So that means A is equal to 72 degrees. What about B? B sits next to 34 degrees to make a right angle at that corner. Now, right angles are 90 degrees. So these two are complementary. So B plus 34 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Now, if we want to solve for B, we have to subtract 34 degrees from 90 degrees, and that is equal to 56 degrees. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.